work now. I'll be back in a while.
Alright. See you later.
Wait a minute. What exactly are you doing with that microwave?
I'm making breakfast.
Okay, you know you're not supposed to put cereal boxes in the microwave.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's not what I was doing, just...
If you have another cereal box in the microwave, I'm gonna kick you out of the house. Let me get to
There's no cereal box in the
I
microwave.
can see it, it's right there.
It's the world's biggest chocolate bar. It's fine, dude, it's fine.
Do you remember the last time you put a cereal box in the microwave?
Actually, yes, and that was a total accident, because...
Hey, think I should call the fire department?
Yeah, it was on fire, but, at least no one got hurt. That's the important thing. See, it's fine. What did I tell you? Nothing's wrong.
I'm sorry, I was wrong.
Yeah, I know you were wrong. You're always wrong. You just don't believe me. Can't believe you.
Dude, I'm sorry.
I can't trust you anymore, okay? I'm done. I can't. After flinging your bra at Tiger Woods at the championships in golf, I cannot trust you, okay? This is it. We're done.
Well, I'm sorry. You wanna go out to dinner tonight?
Heck yeah!